This is the Niagara C331-725FH chrome trip lever. Now this handle fits a few different Glacier Bay tank models, including the model N2428E, 2428R, and the N2410E. So taking a closer look at this handle, we'll start with the face. You can see it's kind of got that little swoop here at the top. And then coming down, we've got this little square brooch. I'll take the nut off so we can see that. We can see that square portion there. That's what's going to sit into the opening of the tank. And you've got a little rubber washer. Just sits in between that nut and the porcelain. And then it also has the lock nut to secure the handle to the tank. And coming down, you can see the bend of the arm, almost a full 90-degree angle. And then coming down, you've got 3 holes to connect the hook from the flapper. So total length of the handle, I'm going to try my best to get as close as I can. We're going to start from the bottom of the face of the handle, going to the tip of the arm. It's not going to be exact, but I'm going to get as close as I can. We can see roughly right at about 9 inches. And then measuring the length of the arm after the bend, we're right at just over 6 inches, maybe 6 1/8. And then measuring across the bottom of the face, we're right at 2 3/4 inches.
Do I need to put CMR or compass manufacturing?
And once again, this is the Niagara C331-725FH chrome trip lever.